Dear brothers and sisters, in a world where pain and illness can often bring isolation and fear, our presence becomes a powerful sign of God's love and compassion. The theme for today's Mass is Let Our Visits to the Sick Enkindle Hope in Their Life. Visiting the sick is more than just an act of kindness. It is a ministry rooted in the heart of the Gospel. Today's day is dedicated to the sick. Pope John Paul II, in his letter Salvifici Doloris, reflects deeply on the mystery of human suffering in the light of Christ's life, especially his passion and cross. Let us open our hearts to the consolation of God, who does not abandon his people in their suffering, but embraces them with mercy, hope, and love.